guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a keto bread. So for that you will need 2 tablespoons of almond flour. That's one. And like if you can see right here, almond flour. Okay, so now I'm going to be using coconut flour, and that's going to be 1 tablespoon of coconut flour. 1 tablespoon coconut flour. Then I'm going to use 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum. This is to bind it together so that your mixture can be bind together. So 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum. Now I am going to use 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. So you can see it's baking powder. Okay. And I'm going to use like not fully 1/4 teaspoon. I'm going to use 1/4 teaspoon, so 1/8 of salt. We don't want too much salt, so it's not quite filled up. I just put half of this 1/4 teaspoon because I don't have 1/8, so 1/8. So that's the ingredients for now. I'm going to also add 2 eggs beaten. So I'm going to go ahead and mix the ingredients together. Mix everything together quite nicely. Then I'm going to beat 2 eggs. 1, 2 eggs. Just gonna beat that. Alright, so my 2 eggs are beaten. So my mixture, my dry ingredients right here, I'm going to just pour in my little mixture in my container and mix that around. Because I need, why I put 2 eggs, I could have just put 1, but because I need a big slice of bread, so that is why I put 2 eggs. And remember, this that I'm doing is low carb and it's keto friendly, so this is really to cut down on my carbs, because you know carbs is the one that always giving you the problem, and also to cut down on my use of wheat flour, because wheat flour makes some people be bloated because it's having gluten, and makes some people have bad reaction to wheat flour. So this one that I'm doing is keto friendly and it's low carb. So if you're on a low carb diet and you want to keep your carb at low, you can try this bread that I'm making. So this is so you're going to mix it until you see that it's getting thick. That's the time you know that it's time to put it in your microwave, and you're going to microwave it for only 1 minute. So I just mix this around like this, and I'm gonna put it in this container that I just used for my dry ingredients. Gonna wash it out, dry it, and put some grease it with some coconut oil so that it won't stick to the plate when I put it in the microwave. And I'm gonna microwave it for like 2 minutes. So I'm going to show you how I grease my plate. I put a little coconut oil on a piece of paper towel. So I put just a little bit. So, like, I don't know if you can see it, but I put a little bit of coconut oil on it. Right? And then I just rub that in. Right? And then, yes, to get my plate greased so that the bread won't stick to the container. Now, I'm going to pour in my batter. My batter for my low carb bread, keto friendly bread, no gluten bread. So if you are allergic to gluten and you get bloated whenever time you eat gluten, please try this low carb bread. It's going to fill you up. So this is the way you're going to use your spoon to shape it in the plate like how you want your bread would look. So that's how I'm shaping it up so that my keto bread will be looking delicious and shaping exactly like our bread should supposed to be shaped. That is why, let me take out these little black spots that I'm seeing right here. Yes, so now guys, I'm going to put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. So here I'm putting in my bread in my microwave, and I'm going to set it on. Let me cancel that, and then let me just set it on 2 minutes. So guys, this is how it's looking now. Any more minutes? It's good guys. This is it. My delicious keto bread. So I hope you will try this delicious keto bread. Here, so guys, this is it. My delicious keto bread. And guys, this is one of the way you can eat your keto bread. You can serve it with some corned beef and cabbage. And if you want to know how I did this recipe, please check out my video on how to cook Jamaican corned beef. Guys, it's so delicious. Please check out my video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.